And I have the perfect outfit for today. If I show you this, do you see a problem? Yes, that lonely microwave on the floor. It looks like me. Someone wants to be my friend? Anybody? No? Okay. I bought a new furniture. Problem solved. Maybe it's better if I assemble it, right? What scares me the most is building like 80% of the thing and realizing that something is missing and you can't finish it. That's what I'm scared when I'm building a furniture. This is the most important thing. It says 45 minutes and 2 people. I'm screwed, I'm alone. That's really important. That's the screws. It looks like Christmas. Every piece has a number that follows the instructions so far, so that's cool. So, where is the 6? So 6, 7, and 8. Where is the 9? 9, where are you? 9. Okay, 9 is absent today. No, we've got 9. 9 is here. Okay, so everybody's here now, the screws. Wow. That's beautiful. There's the number of every part. That's super cool. I'm really excited about that. Wow. Okay, anyway. Okay, first screw. That was 6, now 7. What I love about building furniture is that you're working with your hands. And you're starting from scratch and you're seeing the evolution, the furniture going step by step. And at the end you're satisfied when you finish to build the furniture. When everything goes well, of course. It's going pretty good so far. Moment of truth. 1, 2, and 3. Yes! You can feel that it's cheap, like it's moving like that, and sometimes you can't really close it really well. When I screwed here, it started to destroy this part, I don't know why. But I only paid 60 euros, so it's not that much for furniture. And it's gonna be really great for the microwave. Oh, I forgot the most important detail. Perfect! Let's call it microwave montage. Cool, right? Okay, maybe I was a little bit bored today, but now I can access the microwave easily. Plus I have storage, which is pretty cool. Cheap, but cool. Okay, this concludes this video. See you soon. Bye!